Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Geek Jam. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use automatic window tiling in macOS 15. Window tiling has always been one of the most demanded features of macOS. Previously, there was no option to snap windows on Mac. Yes, there was an option with which you can arrange your windows to left or right, but nothing more than that. And that option only worked when you have two windows that goes left and right. But with automatic window tiling feature in macOS 15, you can easily arrange your windows the way you want to. Not only this, you can arrange up to 4 windows together on your screen. It is a good option for someone like me who keeps a lot of window running on their screen. There are two ways by which you can tile the window. The first method is to drag the window to tile it. For example, I have this window. If I drag it to the left side, it will be tiled on the left side. And if I take this window to the right side, it will be arranged on the right side. If you drag the window to the corner, then it will take a quarter of your screen. Also, you can take your cursor to this green icon, but don't click on it. You will now see a lot of options to arrange your window. If I click on this option, then the window will be arranged on the left side. So this is how you can use automatic tiling feature on macOS 15. I hope you like this video. And if you find this information useful, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel.